This is Alexis, back here again with Infinite Design Marketing, and this is your how to work with the menus in the Impulse CMS. So you can see I've logged in and I've clicked menu. And when you do that, you're going to land on this menu page, and up here in the upper right you will see main menu, top, and footer menu. So here in the main menu you can do a couple of things. Of course, you can delete items. You can edit them. Let's say you wanted water pipes to be called bubblers. You could simply come in here and change that name, type in bubblers, click save, and it would go ahead and change it for you in the system. You simply refresh the page. Let's say that you wanted to add a drop down to this. Let's say you wanted to add a drop down to the apparel section, and it was going to be a page, testimonials for our t-shirts. What you would do is first go into pages and create a new page. Name it t-shirt testimonials or whatever you like. Once the page is created, you come in here and you add a new menu item, and you would call it, t-shirt testimonials. And then when you click this drop down, that page would show up in here, and you would simply select it, and then it would go to that page. The target would be self, because we want it to open up right in the site. And then if you were going to have multiple drop downs in the drop down menu, you would list the order that you wanted it. Do you want it on the top, first, second, or third position, etc. Here you pick the parent. You would say, I want it under apparel because it's a t-shirt testimonial page. And that way, what will happen when you click save, and yes for mobile if you want it to show on the mobile version, when you come in here, it would show you a little arrow next to this button. And when you click it, it will produce another menu system that looks just like this, and you can work with it in the exact same way that you can with this menu. So let's say you decided you wanted hand pipes to come before water pipes. You can simply drag it and drop it up there. See it here? Now let's go to the site, and you can say, here's hand pipes here in the second position. I hit refresh, and there it is here in the second position. So I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to move it back because I know you don't want it there. And then I'm going to come here and refresh, and you can see that water pipe says jump back over here. So the menu system is extremely easy to work with. If you decide at some point that you want to add another item in here, and you add it and it drops down over here, it does what we call breaks the menu. Not to worry. All that means is we've set a specific amount of space that sits here between each item, and all you have to do is give us a call, and we will adjust that based on the amount of letters. Like, see how this one's really long and this one's really short? So it's always best to keep them short. And let us know, and we can always make that adjustment for you. We can't add drop downs to this menu up here or to the footer. So if you ever want to add drop downs, you can add them here. Typically in this type of a site you don't need them, because once I click water pipes, all my information is right here, and it's just making it easier for your user to kind of click through and get what they need right away. Hope that this helps. Thanks.